everyone, I'm Teacher Neth and welcome back to our channel Math Tutorials. In this lesson, you will classify statements as simple or compound propositions. In the end, you should be able to cite your own examples of propositions. So let's start. A proposition is a declarative sentence that can be true or false, but not both at the same time. A true proposition has a truth value of true, while an incorrect proposition has a truth value of false. A lowercase letter is usually used to denote a proposition. That is, the proposition A, it is becoming apparent, is read as A is the proposition, it is becoming apparent. So let us have examples. Example 1. J is a proposition, eating nutritious food is good to one's health. It is a proposition since it is a declarative sentence that can either be true or false. Specifically, its truth value is true. Example 2. K, write it down. It is not a proposition since it is an imperative sentence. Example 3. L, 2 cubed equals 2 times 3. In verbal statement, the proposition states that the cube of 2 is equal to 2 times 3. It is a proposition since it is a declarative sentence that can either be true or false, and its truth value is false. So it's read as L is the proposition, 2 cubed equals 2 times 3. A proposition that cannot be split down further into several propositions is called a simple proposition. A compound proposition, on the other hand, is formed by combining simple propositions through logical connectors. Logical connectors of propositions P and Q may be expressed as not P, P and Q, P or Q. If not P, then Q. Example 4. M is a proposition, there is a teacher behind a great individual. The given is a simple proposition. Example 5. N is a proposition, if a person is disabled, then he or she is authorized to have a PWD ID. The given is a compound proposition. Its simple components are the propositions N sub 1 is the proposition a person is disabled, and N sub 2 is the proposition he or she is authorized to have a PWD ID. The logical connector is expressed in the form of if P, then Q. Example 6. O is a proposition, either an individual saves before spending or one spends before saving. The given is a compound proposition. Its simple components are the propositions O sub 1 is the proposition an individual saves before spending, and O sub 2 is the proposition one spends before saving. The logical connector is expressed in the form P or Q. That's how easy the lesson about the proposition is. I hope you can now distinguish a proposition from not, and a simple proposition from a compound one. I guess you are more ready for the next lesson. Until next time.